Hello, my name is Widya Damayanti. I am here for the cross-cultural understanding remedial task. And before we go to the material, I will give you the title about what we want to explain in this remedial task. We want to explain about pop culture. Definition and importance of pop culture. Pop culture includes popular music, movies, fashions, and social media that influence people worldwide. It constantly changes due to the history, technology, and social media or social movements. By studying pop culture in different countries, we can see how entertainment and trends are shaped by society. It also shows how globalization and technology connect cultures. Understanding pop culture help us appreciate the different traditions and how they influence each other, promoting cultural awareness in our modern world. How historical events shape pop culture. Historical events play a big role in shaping pop culture, influencing music, movie, fashions, and social trends in each country. In the US, the civil rights movement inspired soul and hip hop, while the Cold War fluid the sci-fi movies. The 1960s counterculture encouraged rock music and rebellious fashions. In the UK, post-war recovery led to the Beatles and British invasion. The 1970 punk rock movement reflected economic struggles, and the royal family continued to influence the country and the people about fashions and media. In Australia, indigenous heritage and colonial history shape music and art. Surf culture is a major identity, and multiculturalism in Western cultures in Australia influence fashion, music, and food. Each country's history leaves a lasting impact on its pop culture, shaping global connections and self-expression. The key of cultural movement in the US, UK, and Australia. In the United States, Hollywood really have a big impact because it's a global leader in film and TV. Hip hop is started in the 1970s. It's hip hop influencing music, fashion, and social activities. And about the social media, platforms like TikTok and YouTube shape the global trends in each country, and it's mixing the country's trend and make it look amazing. And in the United Kingdom, British invasions in 1960s and 60s, bands like the Beatles changed the global music. Punk rock in 1970s rebellions against society, led by bands and of course the Sex Pistols. Royal family in United Kingdom until now it's really have a big impact in fashions and media, because the royal family is the strong influencers in United Kingdom. Even they really not mean to influence them, but their people really influencing by royal family. And in Australia, indigenous art and music, Aboriginal culture gaining global recognition. Surf subculture in Australia really shaping about the fashion, music, and lifestyle. Independent film industry, not really, because Australia really not into Hollywood. They make some movies like Mad Max that reflects on Australia identity. Comparison of cultural expressions. Each country expresses culture through media, music, and fashions shaped by history and values. In the US, pop culture is commercialized and trends-driven. Hollywood dominates entertainment, while hip-hop and pop shape the music. Fashion is influenced by streetwear, celebrities, and social media. In the UK, blends traditions with modernity. British films and TV reflect history like Harry Potter and Narnia and etc. While music spans from classic rock to grime. Fashion is diverse, mixing high-end, vintage, and punk styles. And in Australia, combines indigenous traditions with Western influence. Films like Mad Max showcase unique storytelling. Music blends indie rock and indigenous sounds, and the fashion is laid back, inspired by surf culture and sustainability. The US drives the global trends, and the UK balance heritage and modernity, and in Australia embrace a relaxed, nature-inspired culture, each country contributing uniquely to global pop culture. The analysis of pop culture in the US, UK, and Australia can be understood through concepts like cultural hegemony, globalization, and cultural hybridizations. Cultural hegemony, introduced by Antonio Gramsci, describes how dominant groups shape societal value, making their norms seem universals. In pop culture, media industry reinforced by promoting mainstream culture while sidelining others. Globalization enhances cultural exchange, leading to cultural hybridizations, the blending of different traditions into new cultural forms. Power dynamic influence this process as local culture adapt to or resist global influence. For example, Australian pop music mixes indigenous sounds with Western genres, creating unique artistic expressions. These concepts show how culture evolves through influence, adaptations, and the resistance. Here some the research methodology. A qualitative approach using narrative analysis and comparative case studies is suitable for analyzing pop culture difference. Narrative analysis help understand how cultural stories are shaped by media, while comparative studies identify similarities and differences in cultural expressions. For example, in Munajat 20 and 23 in the journal Video Games as Pop Culture Policy, or Putra and Hamza in 20 and 21 comparative analysis of language style between songs lyrics of English and Indonesian pop singer. So this is the research methodology that I have searched for this material. Global influences on pop culture. Pop culture spreads worldwide through Americanizations, digitalizations, and cross-cultural collaborations. Americanization. U.S. culture dominates movie, music, and fashions, setting global trends. Hollywood, fast food chains, and social media shape entertainment lifestyle worldwide, with many adapting American styles for broader appeal. Digitalization, streaming service, and social media accelerate cultural exchange. Platforms like Netflix, TikTok, and Spotify make trends go viral instantly, breaking barriers in entertainment and fashions. Cross-cultural collaborations. Artists and brands blend cultural influence, like K-pop merge Western pop and hip-hop with Korean identity, and fashions and film industries mix global storytelling styles. Globalizations connect culture, allowing unique identities to influence and enrich pop culture worldwide. The future directions. Pop culture will evolve through technology, diversity, and globalizations. Trends like AI, virtual influence, and the metaverse will reshape the entertainment. AI generate music, films, and digital fashions will grow, while streaming and social media will make pop culture more interactive. Diversity. Media representations will expand, amplifying voice from different backgrounds. Films, music, and fashion will feature more multicultural influence, reflecting global audience demand for inclusivity. Evolutions, globalization, and digitalization will continue blending cultural styles. Hybrid music genre, fashion inspired by diverse traditions, and international collaborations will become mainstreams. Virtual and augmented reality will create new entertainment experience. Pop culture future will be more inclusive, innovative, and interconnected, adapting to society's constant change. So the conclusions: pop culture is a blend of traditions and innovations. Pop culture reflects history, society, and technology, shaping identities worldwide. The US leads with Hollywood and hip-hop, the UK with punk rock and royal influence, and Australia with the indigenous heritage and surf culture. Globalizations and digital media have interconnected cultures, blending influence while preserving local uniqueness. Streaming, AI, and virtual influence are reshaping entertainment, while sustainability and diversity drive trends. As pop culture evolves, the balance between traditions and innovation will shape its future, and ensuring both global connection and cultural uniqueness in a changing world. So, it's all about how pop culture blend tradition and innovation in this modern world. So, maybe until enough here for me. I apologize if there's some mistake from me. Toodles!